The Reflexion spiral from St. Jude's. This is the Reflexion spiral box that the catheter is contained in. Okay, this is the box in which the tails come in. The tails are like this in nature. There's two decapolar tails that are connected to one connection as so. This is the catheter here, has a spiral on the end there. Okay, this is handed off in a sterile fashion to the doctors, and the doctors just plug in that as so till it clicks. These then are plugged into the EP recording system so that the techs can monitor the electrical signal.